As always, take this bad boy connected to the DLC port. What I wanted to focus on specifically were the workshop tools over here. See, up here, resets. Oh no, where does it say that? Well, there it is. The relearns. Yep, there it is, there it is. Now we move on to calibration. Boom. Inspections. Hey everyone, how's it going? So today what I wanted to do is I wanted to show you guys my Innova 7111 and a lot of the things it can do. Obviously I could do a lot more than just pull codes. So what I wanted to focus on specifically were the workshop tools over here. I'm not going to go ahead and engage in every single one by one, given that they're not all available for my vehicle, but I will give you a quick overview. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. So first things first, let's go ahead and key on engine off. As always, take this bad boy connected to the DLC port. All right. So right away, it's connecting. Yep, that is my vehicle. All right, so let's go ahead and let's move forward. So workshop tools. All right, that's fine. Now, before you guys start freaking out, well, what's going on? So we're gonna go ahead and talk about the reset section. Now I'm gonna have to go ahead and play with this there it is. See up here, resets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and rotate down. Sorry, it's gone, but let's go ahead for the sake of you guys seeing what's going on. Let's go ahead and move forward. So it's still there, hasn't disappeared, but I'm not a cinematographer, so let's go ahead and move forward. So again, oil maintenance reset, battery reset, electronic parking brake, maintenance reset, transmission reset, transmission fluid change reset, DPF reset, electronic traction system. So the immobilizer reset, odometer reset, language change reset, knock sensor reset, cylinder reset, and AdBlue reset. So now we move on to the next section, the relearns. Oh no, where does it say that? Well, there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and rotate back again. And here we go. Let me see. All right, that looks pretty good, pretty sharp. So TPMS relearn, throttle body relearn, TEC relearn, the AC system relearn, and the clutch relearn. All right, that's cool. So let's go ahead and move down. Yep, there it is, there it is. So now for the routines, we have the ABS bleeding, battery and alternator test, EV, HEV, PHEV battery health, transmission fluid temperature, transmission fluid level check, tire size reset, injector coating, window door roof, okay, key coating procedure, A/F setting, transport mode, and coolant bleeding. Now we move on to calibration. Well, hold on, let me get that for you. Boom, there it is. So I'm gonna go again, I'm gonna go ahead and rotate just a little bit. You guys might lose it, or we can leave it, whatever. But steering angle sensor calibration, suspension calibration, headlamp calibration, occupant seat sensor calibration. And last but not least, if you guys take a look over here, boom, inspection. So you just have a general vehicle inspection. So again, this is just a quick overview. I'm not going to get into every single one because not every single one is supported my car, and there's no point. You guys will get bored watching that. Anyhow, just wanted to give you guys a quick sense of what's going on with this tool, and hope that was informative. And I'll go ahead and show you guys some of the ones that are supported down the line. All right.